hectic. There's so much to do. There are so many things to take care of. Not only the clothes, but even the guests and how we want our collection to show on ramp. So Fashion Week is always hectic for us, but it is exciting as well because it's like a start of a new week, a new fashion story for every designer where they weave in a new story in their collection. So I think it is quite exciting. It's like a cornucopia of emotions actually. I think every Fashion Week is a challenge because you have to show something new all the time. You have to show how versatile you are as a designer and what all you can do every season in a different way, keeping your own style lines in mind. So I think it is challenging every season. This time is again, my clothes are always based on a travel or boho theme, it's very comfortable, it's very eclectic, it's very versatile, it can be worn in many ways, it's full of separates. It's associated with a very confident girl, so that is always my theme. But this time it's a story of a more happy, confident, summery, easy breezy. It's a more easy breezy collection, and and it's based on summer. No showstopper. I think the models did full justice to my clothes. So, but you will be seeing Bollywood coming for the show for sure. I think Fashion Week is a great platform for young designers because there is so much awareness during Fashion Week. Everybody comes to, every magazine is covering you, every news channel is covering you. There's so much, there are new buyers, you get to do a lot more business. Everybody gets to see how your clothes are, they get to feel it in the stalls. They know how you are as a designer. So it's a very big thing for designers to show here because it is like a new business I have never shown a showstopper before as well. Sorry? I think the thing with my clothes is it goes with any personality. Any person, not only a celebrity, normal people can wear it in their own way. So I don't think I have any celebrity in mind for my collection.
Any particular color that you
they're basically earthy color tones, more pastel earthy color tones which are very fresh. And it's summery, so it would be something which is very refreshing to look at. That's my color. Thanks.
Who's asking me? Oh, you're asking me. Okay, it's really hectic, like fittings, getting all my sizes correct, but yeah, all good, all good. Should be okay, hopefully. Yeah, I was very nervous, but thank God they're over now and I'm just going to sort out what needs to be sorted.
what kind of challenge
You know, actually envisioning something and actually seeing it on a body, that becomes a bit of a problem. But yeah, it's turned out quite nice. So looking forward to it. See, I get all my inspiration from travels, basically, and this collection has been inspired by my travels in the south of France, and my collection is called the Flamboyance of the Flamingos, inspired by the flamingos of the south of France. And yeah, my USP of my collection is wearability from sunrise to sunset. So you slip on a dress in the morning and you can like go through it and like wear it all night as well. I'm yet to see everyone else. I hope I really stand out. I just hope for that. Yeah. But oh, it's absolutely fantastic. It is really a one-stop shop for like all the young designers, and you get so much coverage. It's such an amazing place to meet people, to socialize, and like to make contacts, and also like grow. You see so many. You're in a room of so many inspiring people all together. So it's a very amazing learning process. Yeah. I don't have a showstopper. I want my clothes to do the talking. So let's see. I really want my clothes to do the shopping. But yeah, after I would love for people to wear my clothes. Everyone, absolutely everyone. Yeah. Any particular one? I would love to see Kalki in my dresses. Yeah, I would love to see Kalki in my dresses because she's really like uber chic, fun, and it goes with my collection, which is like a very fun, quirky, whimsical collection. So it's not very very serious, the collection, but it's got like a lot of strong colors and prints that I've used this time. Yeah. Thanks a lot.